make the key lime tarts. So the even groups are going to make the apple tarts and you're going to inspect them. And the apple tart people are going to inspect you making the key lime tarts. So it's kind of the same idea. They made 12 apple tarts. You're going to make 12 key lime tarts, and then the whole table is going to share together. So to get ready, your pan, same pan that you're going to use, and then you're going to use little muffin liners just to easily take them in and out. All right, and then you're going to be making your crust using graham crackers. All right, so I've melted butter, 2 tablespoons of butter in the microwave. You just need to get it so it's spreadable, just like so. And then you're going to take graham crackers, you're going to crush them up, okay, just like so. You can take just like 2 graham crackers, put them in a baggie, and kind of just crush them up with your fingers. And then you need about 1/3 of a cup, all right? And then you're just going to mix it directly in. If I were you, I would use a little bit bigger of a bowl, just so it's easier for you to mix. For the purpose of this demo, it was easier for me to use this. To that, you're also going to combine sugar, all right, just like so. And then a little bit of zest, lime zest. You're just that's the outer rind of the lime, and I've already pre-measured right here, and that's just to add a little bit of flavor, all right? And then you're just gonna mix this together, like so, until it's all combined and sticky, okay? Then you're going to go through with your crust, and you're gonna put it in here. Now you are going to go through with a teaspoon, and you're gonna do 1 teaspoon in each one, and then you're gonna go back through, and you're gonna do about another teaspoon. You want them to be equal. You don't want 2 teaspoons in here and only 1 in here. You need them to be equal. So that's why you go through and do 1 first. Make sure you have enough. If you don't have enough, then do like 1.5, whatever you think is right. But you want to use up all of this. Once it's all filled in, you're gonna bake them for about 5 minutes at 350. At that point, you're gonna take them out and you're gonna add your filling. I'll show you how to make your filling in 1 second. Thank you. So we're back, and my assistant is filling the inserts, Miss Maldonado. All right, so now I'm gonna make my filling. So on here, you need 5 ounces of sweetened condensed milk. You just go up on this one, so C4, and you go up to the next line. So 5 ounces, all right? You're gonna add it directly to your bowl. Okay, remember, sweetened condensed milk is very thick, so you might need a rubber scraper. I'm gonna use a wire whisk to get that out, just like so. Go wash this right away. To that, I'm gonna add an egg yolk. All right, just like so. The egg yolk is the yellow part. You will dispose of the whites. All right. Then you're gonna add lime juice, which I've already taken from fresh limes. All right, you're just gonna squeeze them. And then I'm gonna add lime zest. All right, so I'm gonna put that right in there. And then you're simply just going to take this and you're gonna mix it, okay? You're gonna mix it until it's thoroughly combined and you don't see any more of that yolk. Now, as this is done, you're gonna let it kind of sit and wait, because as soon as your warm browned tart crust come out, you're gonna divide it in between the 12 liners. I'll show you what that looks like when we're done. Thanks. So we're back. So I just took the key lime crust out of the oven, and you can see they're lightly brown. They kind of melted together. So these are beautiful, all right? I transferred my filling to a liquid measuring cup, so now it's easy for me to pour. I'm gonna do, if you look at this, I'm gonna do just a little bit, like 1/4 of the filling. And if you've never had key lime tarts before, when this bakes, because of the sweetened condensed milk and the egg, it tastes like candy. It's delicious. So I'm just literally going to pour just a little bit, like so, like that, all right? I'm gonna go back just a little bit. You can always go back and fill more. I just wanna make sure I have enough for all of the tarts, all right? So these are gonna bake in an oven. They take about 7 minutes. Now, if you overcook them, they're gonna be really hard and rubbery. You're just gonna cook them to the lightly like tanned, and then you store them in the refrigerator and you serve these cold. You'll be able to garnish these finished tarts with whipped cream, lime zest, anything that you want. You can put caramel. So see, I'm a little short here, which is no big deal. So if that ends up happening, what you're gonna do is you're just gonna take a little bit from the others just to kind of balance it off, okay? I'm gonna bake these and I'll show you what they look like when they're done. Thank you. All right, so we are back, and I just took the key lime tarts out of the oven. Now, your teacher will take these out for you and then refrigerate them so you'll get them cold. These are very hot. So when you get them back, you're gonna take them out of the pan and then you're gonna garnish them. Whipped cream, zest as I said prior. You just wanna make them look visually pleasing, and you're gonna be combining them with the apple tarts with the opposite pair at your table. All right, so I hope you guys enjoy. Make sure to fill out your reflections for your inspection and your lab. Thank you.